Hello Sparkitans! Welcome back to Spark. Today we are going to trace the letters F, G, H, I and J. Children, grab your pencil and book for more fun learning. Let's get started with letter F. This is the letter F. We will see how to trace it. First draw a standing line like this. Then draw a sleeping line at the top and another sleeping line down to it. This is F. Let's trace it again. Trace it slowly, children. Now take your pencil and book and trace the letter F. Now I will show you 3 words that start with F. Fish, flower, fan. Bye bye F. Now it's time for G. This is the letter G. Now let's trace it. First let's draw a left-sided curve like this. Then again a small curve like this. And then starting from there, draw a small sleeping line and finally a standing line. It's G. Let's trace it one more time together. Wow, you are doing great, children. Now take your pencil and book and trace the letter G. Now I will tell you 3 words that start with G. Giraffe, Goa, goat. Great job with G. Now let's move to H. This is the letter H. Let's trace it now. Start from the top. Draw one standing line down and another standing line down and finally a little sleeping line across the middle. It's H. Now let's trace it one more time together. If you make a mistake in tracing, that's okay. Just try again. Now we will see 3 words that start with H. House, hat, hen. Bye bye H. Now it's time for I. This is the letter I. Now let's trace it together. Start from the top. Draw one standing line. Draw one sleeping line at the top and another sleeping line at the bottom like this. Let's trace it one more time together. Start tracing slowly. No need to rush. Trace this letter on your paper. Now we will see 3 words that start with I. Igloo, ice cream, ink. Great job with I. Now let's move to J. This is the letter J. Let's trace it together. Start from the top. Draw one standing line down. Now draw a small sleeping line to the left and at the top draw another sleeping line like this. Let's trace it one more time together. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Just try again. And trace this letter on your paper. Now we will see 3 words that start with J. Jug, jam, juice. Great work, children. Today you traced F, G, H, I and J. In our next video, we will trace K, L, M, N and O. So make sure you practice these letters and get ready for the next video, children. Click the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss it.